Picture this. You want to sell products online, but you don't have the product yet. You can't afford to hire a video team. And honestly, you have no idea how to edit videos. What if I told you there's a tool so simple that complete beginners are creating professional product videos on day one, without ever touching a camera? Pippit is the AI video agent that turns content into income. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to do that. Let's dive in. Head over to Pippit.ai. You can start with a free trial, no credit card needed. You get free credits. We're talking AI avatars, viral video cloning, and the power of Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 technology, all in one video agent. Click on Choose Video Model. This is where the magic happens. You'll see different modes here. Today, we're focusing on Agent mode. This is the fastest way for beginners to create professional marketing videos without any experience. We're going to cover two powerful features. 1. Prompt to avatar. Create AI spokesperson videos. 2. Reference video. Clone viral ads for your products. Feature 1. Prompt to avatar. Select Agent mode. This is where you'll create videos using just product images and describe the avatar in detail. You don't need the physical product. You can use images from your supplier or even product mockups. I'm uploading images of wireless earbuds. Maybe you're dropshipping these or testing the market before you order inventory. Doesn't matter. Pippit works with just the images. Upload 2 to 3 high-quality images. The AI will use these to understand what you're selling. Let me write a prompt for these wireless earbuds. Here's where you describe what you want. What kind of avatar you want. Age, gender, style. What message they should deliver and the tone and vibe. Now select the aspect ratio as 9:16, language as English, and time duration about 30 seconds. Hit Generate. Let's see what we got.
Tired of muddy audio and short battery life? These earbuds are a game changer. Crystal clear sound, punchy bass, crisp vocals. It's like front row seats in your ears. Get up to 30 hours of playtime with the case. Charge once, listen all week. Active noise cancellation cuts the chaos. Limited time 40% off. The link in bio and snag yours now.
A tech reviewer explaining your product, highlighting the features, delivering the discount offer, and ending with a call to action. Just like this, we have another example of prompt to avatar.
Runners say these shoes are amazing. The sole has great rebound. After running 5 kilometers, my knees don't feel sore at all. The upper is breathable mesh. Cool.
This is ready to post on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Feature 2. Reference video. Here's the scenario. You see a viral TikTok ad that's crushing it. Millions of views, tons of engagement. You think, I wish I could create something like that for my product. Well, now you can. You can upload that winning video and Pippit will clone its structure, style, and flow for your own product. Select Veo 3.1/Sora 2 as your model. Both are incredibly powerful video generation models. I am selecting Veo 3 now. Select Reference Video. I'm uploading this viral beverage ad. It has 2 million views, great engagement. Pippit is going to analyze everything. The pacing, the structure, the messaging flow. Now upload an image of your product. I'm using a body armor can. Pippit will take the structure and style of that viral beverage ad and recreate it for your product. Select the ratio and duration. I'm going with 8 seconds. Hit Generate. The AI is now cloning that winning formula for your product. Look at this comparison. On the left, the original viral beverage ad with the green bottle. On the right, body armor beverage video. Exact same structure and style. Okay, let's try the same product with model Sora 2. Just select the same reference video and provide the body armor can image. I'm going with 8-second duration. Hit Generate. This is the video generated by Sora 2. Same hook, same pacing, same energy. But it's your product. This is how you create high-converting ads fast without reinventing the wheel. Monetization strategies. Here's how you turn this into income. Strategy 1. E-commerce stores. Post these videos on your Shopify store, Amazon listings, or TikTok shop. Product pages with videos convert way better than just images. You're talking 2 to 3 times higher conversion rates. Strategy 2. Paid ads. Use these as Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads. You just created ad creative that would normally cost $500 to $1,000 from an agency. You did it in minutes for pennies. Strategy 3. Organic content. Post these on your social media: TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Add your product link in bio. Consistent content equals consistent sales. Strategy 4. Test before you invest. Here's the genius part. You can create videos for products you don't even own yet. Test the market, see what gets engagement, then order inventory. No risk. And Pippit lets you schedule and auto-publish to multiple platforms. Create 10 videos in one sitting, schedule them for the week. You're running a content machine. Now is your chance to build with AI. Pippit is free to use. Link in the description. Like the video and subscribe to get more tutorials. Until next time, happy creating.